Third place overall entry number 189, Hannah with the Journey Artistic Dance Studio. Your runner-up entry number 188, Bridget with the Cold from Starlight Academy Performing Arts. Now your team, Miss Dancexplosions, with a score of 293.9, one of the highest scores we've seen all day. Goes to entry number 189, letter A, Sandcastles. Mia, that was a fantastic performance. Well, let me get your name.
Mia.
What city do you represent?
Rising Stars Dance Academy.
Who choreographed this piece?
Miss Nikki.
Miss Nikki again, great job. Do me a favor? With your team, mister, slide all the way down. So all the teams slide all the way down, and then you guys can take the pictures on the corner. Now, your Mr. Dance Explosion here in Rhode Island. You have your top two. Second place with a score